Hey everyone, it's Miss Ross here. We are going to do some transfer today with the skill of adding suffixes to words that end in Y. We will be doing a little bit of dictation to start with, so please make sure you have something to write with and something to write on. Here is our objective today. Please read it with me. I can add suffixes to words ending in Y to read and write words. I am successful when I can read a transfer card, read a story to practice adding suffixes to words ending in Y. Ending in Y. There we go. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to practice our transfer card. This will help us get really good at reading words with suffixes. Read with me. Let's start with the word plays and go across. Ready? Begin. Plays, days, weighs, stays, sprays. Applied, applying, stayed, decayed, decaying. Happier, happiest. Fancier, fanciest. Flyer. Ponies, denies, skies, fries, spies. Let's go ahead and read the very first sentence together. Ready? Begin. All of the ladies deny being spies. Great work reading this transfer card with me. If you need additional practice, you can pause this video and reread the screen so you can get the help that you need. We are going to do some dictation together now. Please get something to write with and something to write on. Here is our first word. Happy, 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 happy. Write the word happy on your board. This word is so cool. It follows a lot of skills that you have already learned. Let's start on the left and mark what we know. First, I will mark my vowel A and my vowel Y. There are two working vowels, so I will split this word into syllables. I go to my first vowel A. There are two consonants, double consonant P's. I will split this word between the P's. Here is my first syllable. My P acts as a guardian consonant that makes my vowel short. My second syllable, my Y, will take the vowel E and it will be long. My word says happy. I am so happy that it's almost summer. When I look at this word, I don't need the first P anymore because we needed it so that our vowel would be short. So I will put a little line through that now. Happy. Here is our next word. We are going to add a suffix to happy. In this word, it ends with a consonant plus a Y. So when I add the suffix, I will change the Y to I and add the suffix. You ready? Here we go. Happier, 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 happier. I am so much happier when I come home and see my puppies. Happier. So to rewrite this, I will write the word happy, but remember, I will change my Y to an I and add the suffix happier. This is the suffix ER. Is that what you got? Awesome! You are doing such a great job. Let's try one more word. In this picture, we have some ponies. Let's write the base word pony first. Pony, 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 pony. The pony was galloping in the meadow. First, I will prove the word pony. My vowel O, my vowel Y. There are two working vowels, so I will split this. This fits decoding skill 1. My vowel stands alone, so it will be long. And my second syllable, my vowel Y, will take the vowel E, and it will also be long. That is how I prove the word pony. But I want to write the word ponies. In order to do this, I will change the Y to I and add ES. Ready? Ponies, 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 ponies. The ponies were hanging out together. I will rewrite pony, but change my Y to an I and add ES. My new word is ponies, and my suffix is ES. Let's try one more. Ready? Baby, 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 baby. The baby had a blue hat on. Write the word baby. I will mark my word, and you can see if you marked yours the same way that I mark mine. Is that how you marked your word, baby? You're getting so good at these skills. It's so fun to mark and prove words. Now let's write the word babies. There are two babies in this picture, or the two babies are sleeping. Ready? Babies, 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 babies. In this word, there is a consonant plus the Y, so I will change the Y to I and add ES. Is that what you got? Yes. Okay, put your finger under the word babies. Let's read it 2 times together. Ready? Babies, babies. Great work. Will you look on your board and point to the word ponies? Let's read this together 2 times. Ponies, ponies. And let's read the first word that we wrote, which is happy and happier. Put your finger under happy. Let's read each of them 2 times. Ready? Begin. Happy, happy. Happier, happier. I hope that gave you a little more practice in writing words where we add the suffix to a word that ends in Y. Now let's read a story. In this story, there are many words where the suffix is added to a word that ends in Y. You will also see other words that you have previously learned skills for. That's what makes reading so exciting. You get to practice all the skills that you have already learned. Let's read this together. The story is called The Mummy's Crypt. Do you remember what a crypt was? A crypt is an underground vault or a tunnel where they would bury people. So let's see what happens in this story, The Mummy's Crypt. I am going to read this story. If you will follow along with your finger, that will help you to see where I am. Ready? Begin. One day, Layla was playing in the sand. She was hunting for old objects to collect. Layla's mom told her not to be straying from home. It could not be denied that she had strayed many times before. Layla went skipping along in the sand. She tripped over a strange-looking slab. She brushed away the sand. Then she lifted the slab. She saw steps leading into a tunnel. She emptied the pockets of her robe to find a small flashlight. Layla went through the tunnel. She was carrying the flashlight and trying not to drop it. It supplied her with the only light she had. Layla tried her best to be brave. It was not long before she came to an open space. There she saw a big, long box. The box was buried with dust and dried cobwebs. This is the secret crypt my mom told me about. It's not just a myth, she cried. Layla crept silently to the box. She pried off the lid. Then she held the flashlight close to see what was inside. It was a mummy. She had never seen a mummy before. She leaned in closely to look at it. The mummy let out a small groan. Without delaying, Layla shut the lid of the box. Then she ran down the tunnel. Then she ran up the steps. There was no way she would be staying in that place. Layla ran as fast as she could, hoping that she would be safe. When she got home, she ran inside and slammed the door. She leaned on the door. Then there was a tapping sound. Doo, doo, doo. It was the mummy. He was holding one of her sandals. He was saying, "Are you missing a sandal?" Layla replied with a big scream. Just then, Layla sat up in her bed. It was only a dream. She had not strayed from her home. The mummy was not real. Layla could not have been happier. Well, that story was so entertaining. I really loved it. I would probably be scared if I saw a mummy in a crypt also. Would you? Let's look at our objective today and see if we were able to do the things that we wanted to. We wanted to learn more about adding suffixes to words ending in Y. We read our transfer card and we read a story to practice adding the suffixes to words ending in Y. I hope that helped you today. And I bet if you were to look in a story that you're reading, you will see many examples of words ending in Y and words where we add the suffix to words ending in Y. I hope this was helpful for you. If you need to watch any of the video again, you can. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.